Hi everyone, welcome back to Magnifical Core Craft YouTube channel. Here is another bag we're working on. You can see we have multiple colors in the bag. The background is black, then we have several colors here. So I want to show you, if you are making a bag like this, you want it to have just the color. As we have black as the main color here, you might decide that it will just be black all through, or you want to introduce other colors. That's what we'll be looking at. You can make a bag like this, one color, multiple color, or just two colors. Okay, welcome back. Now you can see, like what I said in the previous one I showed you, here we have made the sample here. All you need is, you need 8 ropes in all. That's 2 crown knots. You need 8 ropes like this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 ropes, you pick the first one as your lead cord. Then you're going to roll this over twice. The next one. Now we've done it all round. So you're going to pick this again, because we are using just one color in case you are making just one bag with just one color. So you're going to pick this, you roll it over this way. Then the next one, you give a little space. Give a little space. You roll it over. Come to the third one. This is how we're going to continue. Do the same thing. You come to this side. Roll it over twice. Then we have the last one here. We're going to pull it to this side. Close it up. That is it. You can see what we have here now. So we are going to have just this color in there. But when you want to introduce another color, so the next one we are doing the same thing. Take your first cord, you roll over twice. The next one you do the same thing. Do over twice. You pick the next rope, you roll it over twice. You make sure that the main cord is in a slanting form. Let it be in a slanting form. Now we've done it round. You know, the first one we did, we are using the same rope. We are not introducing any. Now we're introducing yellow. So the first thing you're going to do, you pick the lead cord here. You make your first knot twice. You leave it out this way. Then you pick your rope, put it in here, do it twice. Roll it over again. Pull it. Then this here, you roll it over this twice. You come to the next one, you pick the rope, you roll it over twice. Then you cover with this. You come to the other side, pick the next one, you do it twice. It depends on how wide you want the pattern to be. You could make it 3 if you want it as it's going to become wider. Do it over twice. You come to the next one, make it 1, 2, 3. I told us that it makes it wider and the pattern in the middle will be bold. Then the last one, make it 1, to this way, close it. And we are going to close it up with the last one now. We pull it. We are done with it. You can see it now. See, if you're introducing a pattern or you're making it just like this, like the one I showed you here, you can now see you have it this way because you're making it multiple. So if you're introducing the next one, you're going to pick the next row, you continue the same pattern. So this is how you're going to do it, and it should give you the pattern for the bag. Thank you for your time.